Today I thought would be a great day. It's snowing, we're getting ready to head into spring. Today my focus for this week has been my kitchen. I'm decluttering my bathroom and I'm just about done with that. Welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I would do a clean with me video. I have some housework I'd like to get done for the weekend here, heading back into our school week. So today I thought would be a great day. It's snowing. We're getting ready to head into spring, but we are getting snow here in Iowa. So today my focus for this week has been my kitchen, and I'm also decluttering some areas in my house. So I'm decluttering my bathroom and I'm just about done with that. I'm doing my medicine cabinets right now. I've done my under cabinets and now I'm working on the upper ones. So I want to try to tackle that today. I also have a sock basket that is in desperate need of sorting and kids are waiting for some socks. So I thought that would be a great project to do today. And then of course, I just want to hit my standard weekly items that I do. So I always have a focus room, but then I have some weekly items that I like to get done. Sometimes I'll hit those in the week and I'll have the kids help me with them, but we didn't get to those. So I want to go ahead and do that. So that's like our bathroom cleaning, some vacuuming, and the kids have helped with the vacuuming and stuff throughout the week, but I just want to make sure that I hit all the floors. I want to do some mopping, dusting, stuff like that. So we'll see what we can get accomplished. It is about 1 o'clock right now, so I got started a little bit later than I wanted to. I have already made my bed though. So I want to go ahead and get started and see what I can get done. And the first place I'm going to start is, of course, my dishes. Don't forget, if you like videos like this, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to click that subscribe button if you are not already. Let's get into the cleaning.
One more night, I could fight it through till the darkness turns to light. One more night, say it's gonna be okay, 'cause this winter is so long, feels like it's haunting me. Say there's gonna be a change, 'cause I feel like I'm just holding on to yesterday. But if I wait till the summer, oh, if I wait till the summer, oh, but if I wait till the summer, oh, I know it will be better, oh, I can leave the truth, shut the blinds I could deny. One more night, I want a blister full, everyone that it's alright. One more night, say it's gonna be okay, 'cause this winter is so long, feels like it's haunting me. Say there's gonna be a change, 'cause I feel like I'm just holding on to yesterday. But if I wait till the summer,
Okay, so I've gotten my laundry started, I've gotten the dishes done. So the next thing I'm gonna work on is I'm gonna try to knock out my list. So I do a daily list, but this is more of my weekly clean. So I put some of my weekly things down there. And then I also have a list here too for my focus room. So this is my shopping list, you guys. I'm a list person. I love my lists. They're like my second brain. So I've probably said this many times, but I love my lists. All right, if you haven't met my husband yet, if you do not follow us on our family vlog, he's in the background going. So if you haven't met him yet, this is my husband, Matt. Anyway, so I have my list today. all the things that I want to get accomplished, and then along the bottom I have my weekly accomplishments that I want to get done, and then this is my focus room. So I'll try to knock off as much as I can. I actually have the kitchen as a 2-week focus because I just think the kitchen always needs a little bit more than some of the other rooms in the house, especially this kitchen because it is much larger than most of the other rooms in the house, and there's so many surfaces that need cleaned. So right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna knock out my weekly list, and then we'll see what we can get done on the focus. I also wanna hit that declutter. So here we go.
Let go, rain. It's not your song to sing no more. Goodbye, blame. Weights can't lift you up, but you can find a way to drop them. Can you feel the wind? Say you do, it's how it all begins. Then comes reason, then purpose. Well, you will find your way. In the meantime, may the sun bless you with its rays. It's how we learn. It has to hurt, it has to hurt. Every single turn. Don't beg your pardon. You're not someone's victim. It has to hurt, it has to hurt. You can ask spring how it is when the buds are bursting. You can watch the birds when they fly across the world. Weights can't lift you up. You can find a way to drop them. When the new ones weigh you down, you'll be on top of them. Oh, don't mind the fall. Break down when it burns, please. Don't be concerned, 'cause it's how we learn. It has to hurt, it has to hurt. Every single turn. Don't beg your pardon. You're not someone's victim. It has to hurt, just has to hurt. It's how we learn. Don't be concerned. It has to hurt. Yes, every single turn. Don't beg your pardon. You're not someone's victim. It has to hurt. It has to hurt.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now, there's something in the air, and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go gravel beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover, agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond all. A bigger scale the world inhales as we go. I wouldn't want it any other way, no. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover, agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond all. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover, agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond all.
You say, take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. Later, it comes later, dear. For many of us, I promise you that we learn through the wrongs, and even the rough can be sweet. Just close your eyes and know beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. It's gonna take some time to get there. I don't care, I don't care. I'm in for the fight. It's gonna take some time, but I know that beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. Beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too.
I got this feeling like it's starting now, starting now. I feel adventurous with you. And there is nothing that can hold us back, hold us back. We can do what we wanna do. 'Cause we got all the time in the